could not post last week, but we are back this week, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make eco-friendly Ganesha. So let's begin. I have cut this piece just for decoration purposes. Now take a container which is of normal size. Don't forget to remove sticker or the wrapping. Cut a circle from the cardboard. Make sure it's a little bigger than the bottom radius of the container. Now stick the container and the circle together with glue. After this, you may use any type of clay. So first I have tried making the shape of the tummy. Here we are making the face of Ganesha. Then I have made the hands and the legs. You may change the posture according to your liking. After that I made ears in the shape of kidney beans and stuck them. Now the basic shape is complete. You may make decorations with clay and let it dry. Now here is a time lapse of me painting the Ganesha. I wanted to try something different, but you may paint it colorful also. Now here I am going to highlight few areas with golden paint. Here is the final look. I think the Ganesha looked amazing. I was pretty happy with the outcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So I'm going to meet you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.